Hey kids, so this is lesson 6, level 6. We're going to do B, family members. And this is exactly like the pet store one. I feel kind of bad saying it that way. It's family members. I think the only difference in the pet store, we had 3 pets. We had a pet, a cat, and a dog. Family members are going to have a father, mother, brother, sister. So there'll be 4 things there, but it's going to work the same way. So let's go ahead and take a gander at this and figure out what we would like to do. And so fairly certain, so our to-do list is in the household Java. We want to write the toString method and return a string containing the title of each family member. So that means is it the mother, father, brother, or sister? And it wants each one on a separate line. So we're probably going to have to go and snag like the get title. There's a get title method somewhere, I am sure. And then we're going to declare that 1D array that's a family. And we'll instantiate a household object, and we're going to print out the household, which means we're going to take advantage of the toString method that we're going to create. Now, in the household, there's your household class, and there is a private instance variable, which is an array of family members, and each of those family members is a family object. So again, it's an array of objects. And there's the toString method that we're going to come back and work on here in a second. Let's go to the family object for just a second. So in the family object, a family object has one attribute, and that is the title. And there are 2 constructors. There is a no parameter constructor, which sets the title to relative, or there is a parameterized constructor which sets the title to whatever we pass to it. And there is the get title method. So I do like this one, this no parameter constructor, and this kind of a function notation. That seems to be kind of just like this, as if I did this dot title equals relative. So it's kind of working the same way. Now let's take a look at the mother. The mother object is a no parameterized constructor, and it's passing the title onto the super, letting the title handle that. Same with the father, same with the brother, and there is a sister. There's same as the sister. So what I want to do is I'm going to go back here to the household, and I want to finish up this toString method. So I'm fairly certain what I'm going to want to do is an enhanced for loop. So I will go for, and this is a family object. So for a family, and I will call it a fam in the family members array. I want to take my new result is going to be my old result plus the afam get title. And I need to put this again on a new line, so I'm going to add or concatenate, and in quotes I will put my escape sequence to get me to the new line. And that should be all I have to do. That should do the trick for me right there. So the afam is a family object, and the family object is in this array of family members. So let's go to the household runner and do what we have to do there. So I want to create a 1D array of family objects. So family array my fam equals, and there should be a mother, father, brother, sister. So I'm going to go new mother, new father, new brother, and new sister. And then I want to print the household object. So what I need to do is I need to instantiate a household object. So household, my house, I better use camel case. My house equals a new household object, and I need to pass it along. If I recall, I need to pass along, where is the constructor? There it is. I need to pass along that family members array. So I'm going to pass it along my fam. And then what I want to do is I want to print out the household object. So system.out.println, and I'm going to print out my house. And that should do the trick. Let's see if we can make this puppy run and do this without errors. Hot dog. So mother, father, brother, sister, let's run the test to see if the test agrees, and that's good.